It's broken.
That sounds like a personal problem.
Takes one to know one, Josh.
A what?
Hey, give
a
us a
personal
tune.
problem? To know a personal problem?
Janelle, sing us a tune.
No.
Yeah,
You
sing him
are
a song. That'd be cute.
We sing away.
Sing it.
Words can't bring you down. Okay, your
I
turn.
think you.
Nice
Hey,
try.
popcorn. Popcorn. Popcorn, Chanel.
Popcorn.
I don't know, Jeremy. You kind of, I don't know.
I had the high note. I
You
know.
stole her thunder.
You're better at it than I am.
Words can't.
Come on, Ian, can you sing?
Say either. I can't sing, no.
Can you sing Barney?
That's Jeremy's part of it. If I could remember
Can you remember Barney?
words.
I hate you, you hate me. Let's get together and kill Barney. Stab him in the back, push him on the floor. No more stupid dinosaurs.
Yes!
Oh, how sad. Poor Barney. Dinosaur murderer.
Come on, Chanel, sing us a tune.
You're lucky we don't have any more arrows for the crossbow.
Hey,
Your
come
rabbit
on,
over there would be
rewind.
dead.
You better not kill any rabbits.
And then I would skin him
I'll
with
kill
my
you.
knife.
And then cook them up for dinner.
Chanel,
Old bayou style.
what if I give you a couple
Come on, you
nickels?
chicken.
How
Get
old
out
are
here.
you?
Nickel.
How old are you, Mikey?
You like seeing him on me?
No. How old are you, Mikey?
Okay, do your Arnold impression.
Alright. Get out of here now!
No, come on.
Go! No! Get out of here now!
Who is your daddy and what does he do? You idiot, answer your phone.
My father's dead! Stop
Do you guys
whining!
do that to my phone? Did you guys leave me a message like that?
That was me. Was it you?
Did you hear his?
No, that was me.
That was me.
Did you guys hear his message on his phone?
Yeah.
Was that from online or was that your voice?
No, that was me.
That
Do
was
it
your
again.
voice?
Do it
I swear
right
to God,
now.
that sounded...
Answer your phone.
I should have saved that.
Do it
I
right
thought
now.
That was,
You can't force me to do it. I have to feel it. I have to be in the
what
zone.
are you doing?
No,
I want
just
him
call
to-
my phone, dude. Listen to my voicemail.
Oh.
To do his phone thing.
Hello, this is Josh's phone.
now.
Let me see. What are you looking at, Jeremy?
That palm tree right there?
Yeah.
It's really luminous right now. It's not seeing it just right.
Well, Cody called me.
Okay, it's done. Done.
All right. All right.